Okay, now we have a few things left in our chapter. The tie. A tie is a curved line connecting two notes together. It means that the note will be played once but held for the length of both notes connected. So if I tie two quarter notes together, they really become the same as a half note held for two beats. If I tie two half notes together, they become held for the length of a quarter note. What's our hand positioning? What do you think? Looks like the same thing again. We're at the end of the primer book, and this becomes one of the most important hand positions. 3/4 time, by the way, okay? So this is starting 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Come to my lemonade stand today. 5 cents is all you will pay. 2, 3, tied note, and no better lemonade can be found. We've got the best in town, and it's tied and held. Lemonade stand with a tie.